Hi, everybody. Oh, no. I always have some kind of technical difficulty in the first 2 seconds here. Okay. Hi. Let's see if I can get on here with this. All right. Hi, everybody. Can you guys see me? Let's see if we can work that out a little bit here. Hi. Okay, so from what I understand, even if you can see me, you're not going to be able to comment. So that's kind of what I've been learning here. So that being said, we're going to do the best we can. If you end up having questions, you can message me afterwards. So after my last live that I did, I'm trying to get some, hi, I can't see who's on here. Oh, yay. Okay, again. Hi. Okay, after my last live that I did, I had some friends message me about different products and stuff. You know, we were talking about all the makeup and all the non-toxic stuff and all that. I'm just trying to figure out where I am at here. Okay, you can comment. That is so exciting. Hey. Am I up and down or am I to the side? I hope it's right here. So that's awesome news. I'm on my iPad, so I was hoping that this is going to be a little bit different. I'm trying to be tricky, so let's see what happens. Okay, so there we go. So anyway, to get to the chase here, because I have a whole bunch of kids in the pool and my babysitter's here, so I'm going to just tell you what I think. Okay, so we chatted about, yay, okay, good. So we chatted about organic makeup, and I was talking to you about, what you want to stay away from, and I had a bunch of people message me and ask me a whole bunch of questions about what we use and all that stuff. So this is what I found. I found a makeup that I really like, and we're going to check it out today. It's called CRUNCHI, and I ordered a whole bunch of goodies. I had my box up here to show everybody, but since I don't have a cell phone and I'm on an iPad, so we're going to unbox all this fun stuff together today. So I figured, why not? So we'll try it out. I haven't even seen it yet. So I think this is part of the fun. And then in all of these, from what I understand, are all different foundations to try. So let's just get into it. Okay, so here are all the different foundations. Oh, okay, so I have a bunch. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 extra. So if you are somebody who wants to try it, it's all heavy metal tested, which was what actually sold me. A lot of organic ingredients and vegan, all the fun stuff. It's not 100% organic, but neither is the other one I was using. Doesn't have an organic symbol on it either. So these are all the different colors. So I guess we could color match me. I feel like I'm going to be that color. We're going to open it up. Anyway, I have 4. I have 4 extra ones. So if you want to try, ooh, okay, so this color looks like it's going to be my color. Yeah, already. There it is. Boom. Well, that was pretty easy. It doesn't smell like an old tire. If you remember, it was really stinky before, the last one I used, okay? So this is called CRUNCHI. Hey, everybody, hey. This is a makeup brand that I'm trying and I'm unboxing because, this is fun. We're going to do this all the time now. But I think I like this brand so far, so I'll let you know. Doesn't smell like a stinky tire, so it's ahead of the other brand that I used last time. It actually doesn't have a smell, which my mom will love because my mom can't use most makeups because the fragrance is so strong. All right, let's just get into it. So this is the CRUNCHI. I heard about this a really long time ago, and then I didn't hear anything about it, so I kind of forgot, but now I'm excited. All right, Night Light Evening Facial Cream. So this has a whole bunch of good stuff in it. It's got aloe, glycerin, all kinds of yummy oils. It does have lavender and rose and geranium. Let's smell it. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so that is super light, floral, but not strong and overpowering. It smells kind of like a natural, like essential oily house, like me. All right, so now what is this? This is Shattered Mascara. This is kind of fun. It's like opening gifts. I did bring a pair of scissors in case I had a hard time and had to tear into it. My 1, 3, and 8-year-old are in the pool, so I don't know how long we're going to get to do this fun stuff, but I'm going to try. So this feels like really heavy. This is a super heavy mascara, like it's made out of metal or something. So, sorry, I should have half opened these. Anyway, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit more like I said, the heavy metal testing thing actually is what sold me. Did you know that they still are finding lead in a lot of these red lipsticks? Who even thought that? It's 2021, but I guess now that we know so many things that we know. All right, that's the kind, where am I? Here we go. That's the kind of brush I like. Sometimes I use those super fat ones, but let's see. I like the little bit because then you can get on the inside, and then I'm always like pulling it out. And this is actually over my other mascara, isn't giving me a hard time. Now I don't have a mirror. I'm using my iPad and I do have some makeup on already. So let's see. My daughter's gonna come in here. Thank you. Oh, that's somebody in the pool. All right, so this is light. It doesn't have any strong smell. You know, a long time ago I was researching mascaras, and I found that even some organic mascaras have there's ingredients that actually are called synthetic ingredients, so they can surpass or go under the radar as far as organic ingredients goes. Did you know that? Even in your food. So there are literally synthetic ingredients that can get hidden in your food because it's not organic, but it's synthetic. It can actually go under the radar. So that's something to know about. There were a couple organic mascaras I looked into that had carcinogen ingredients. And so finding the cleanest is really a huge part of it. All right, so this is an eyeshadow, little eyeshadow kit. Now, I'm like, we talked a lot last time about not using metallics because the heavy metals go into your bloodstream, especially in lipstick. Hi, everybody. Thanks for jumping on and seeing me. I guess I'm not as silenced as I thought today because the last time, I couldn't even see anybody on. It wouldn't tell me. Okay, so these, look at these. These are like all neutral. This one looks purple in here, but it's more like a chestnut color. I guess it has a purple undertone, and that's kind of more like, maybe that's more brown to me. Don't look at my fingernails. I'm a mom, okay? Don't judge me. So let's see. I'm going to just try a little bit of that on my, okay, so that's nice. So these can be, this is a super neutral palette. I would probably even use that as like a little highlighter thing there. Should I have brought my little kit? Let's just try it. Let's just see. What do I have here? Let's try it. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit. Let's see. Okay, that's not bad. Let's see. For us round-faced ladies, you want to get a little bit of cheekbone going? That's nice. Yeah, that works, right? Okay, so I'm digging this. This one isn't metallic. This one has jojoba seed oil in it. Nothing in here that would scare the crap out of me, which is great. And it does say certified organic ingredients. Ooh, somewhere. Can you read that? All right, so that's always fun. You know, I thought organic makeup was going to be like crazy expensive, but I have to tell you, some of the stuff like the YSL and all the fancy stuff I was buying before at, what's it called? Ulta and stuff, I'm going to pay a lot more for. Oh, look, it's a little crunchy bag. The recycle in me wants to use this for a snack. Is that super weird? Like, what kind of snack could I put in here? All right, so what is this? Daylight facial cream. That's fun. Let's try that on. Okay, so let's see what this does. I wish my lighting was less weird. Okay, it's got a close and open. That's good because my kids will get into this. Okay, this is super light. It's almost like a serum, but still a moisturizer. And that has that same light smell. It's like rose water, geranium, and lavender. It smells like a spa, but not overpowering, like really light. So I've got all my, did anybody see that funny little post I did about people trolling your website? Make sure you exfoliate before you talk smack, which I thought was hilarious. Anyway, okay, this one says Smart Primer. Now, I'm a mom, so I don't always have time to do all this fun stuff, but maybe I will. I don't know. I did buy a primer that was from my organic juice company one, and it had a whole bunch of like metallic in it, and I didn't want to use it. I felt like I was putting metal in my face, so I didn't. Let's see what this primer is like. Now, when I use a primer, I want it to kind of like hold my makeup. I'm getting it going here. It's taking a second. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay, I got it to go. So let's see. This one says, it's got a whole bunch of fun stuff in it too. Okay, so this primer, let's see. Ooh, that's a little bit thicker. At first it feels like a night cream, and then all of a sudden it disappears and it's super smooth. And that dries matte. I don't know if you can see that on my on my mom hands. I do the dishes and stuff. Okay, I'm fancy. Have you heard that Fancy Like song? That's my new jam. Fancy Like Applebee's and the Bourbon Street steak with the Oreo shake and the whipped cream. I'm just kidding, I don't eat at Applebee's, but I still think it's funny. My husband and I jam out to that song all the time. All right, what's this one now? It says black eyeliner. Now, I have liquid eyeliner on. Ooh, I love that. That's like a smudge. That's like a smudger. Ooh, okay, so this is my jam right there. See that point? That's awesome. And those can do like the little fine, super fine lines. Look at that. Yes, that's the stuff right there. All right. And then it doesn't look like you've got like, some people like to only wear black under their eyes. I'm not judging, but that's not my jam at all. But if you want to put a little bit, like if you put black all the way under your eyes, it actually makes your eyes look smaller. And if you go all the way to the edge, it makes your eyes look smaller. If you want your eyes to look bigger, you only do the corners, and it makes your eyes look bigger. And if you want to really get into it, you can put white, a little bit of white here and right there on the inside, and that will open your eyes up too. I used to do that for all the ladies when I used to do their makeup for weddings and stuff. It just makes you look like your eyes are sparkling. And actually, I feel like one of the news anchors I was watching the other day, that was a man, had it on. And I don't think he was trying to wear makeup, but pretty awesome. Yeah, this is just, yeah, this one for sure went on nice and smooth. Okay, so this is nice. I got a little brush here, which it was time. Do you see this crusty thing? That thing has seen its day. I'm pretty sure my son had it in his mouth earlier today too. Okay, so this is nice. Ooh, all right. Yes, this is nice, all quality stuff. I like it so far. I don't feel like I got any caca or crap. Okay, so that was in my kit. I didn't get my foundation yet, or my blush, or my lipstick, which I have to find out about. I know there's like a deal with that too, so I have to find out what that whole thing is. I don't know it yet. But this is the fun stuff for your face, a whole line, okay? I like that. And then I got a liner, a mascara, eyeshadow. This is not as purple as it looks. That looks purple to me, like I would never use that. It's more brown, but this lighting is not my friend. And then I got my whole deal. So I've got all this, and then I got a bunch of foundations. So if you want to try it, send me a message. I have 4. I have 4 little trials, and they're already in an envelope. So I'll send it to you. You know me, I'm like always sending samples out of all kinds of fun stuff. All right, so this was so far, I would give this one an A+. You know, it's not hot pink lipstick. I know we were super excited about that last time. I have to say the mascara is a yes. I haven't used the whole line on my face. I'm going to use it, and I'll tell you tomorrow what I think. The liner, heck yes, love that. Love the brush. And I do like how the eyeshadow goes on. It's really nice. Like the pigments are really strong pigments. So they're like, you know, they're not crumbling. And look at that. It's staying on it. It's almost like creamy. You know, it's like that creamy instead of crumbly. Have you ever done your eyeshadow? I used to use the MAC ones, and then it just kind of like lands on the part of your face right there. Let's just do a double check here and make sure that I'm not going to say this one's 100% and then it's not. Hold on, let me get my little trusty eyeshadow stuffing thing. All right, here we go. Let's try this one. Let's try it before I say it's beautiful and then it's not. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I don't have a bunch of crumbles under my eye, which is really nice. You still got to dust it no matter what. Now, I did have other stuff on my face, and we've been sweating, so I don't know. Hey, everybody. Yes. Well, I did one side too dark. And also I have weird shading in here, so, you know, I don't know if that's fair, but have you ever tried to put makeup on in an iPad? It's not my favorite, but yes. Okay, so it didn't have that dust under my eyes, which is huge for me. I would say you can even make this liquid. Have you ever done your own liner with like one of those slanted brushes? And then you can kind of make this into an eyebrow too. Let's do that. I think I have one. Let's see how my eyebrows look. Hold on. I know I was about to get off here, but no one's yelling for me to come and get them yet. So we're going to do this thing. All right, check it out. So here's my little slanted brush. I'm going to just try this and let's see what it does for my eyebrows. I did have a little bit of pencil on there. Ooh, but that's nice. Okay, so this one I used it, if you missed it earlier, I used this little brown one as a highlighter on my cheekbones. Now, as this color, and I would say that you could probably use this even if you have really dark hair, like you see my little roots coming in. Okay, and then I used it as eyeshadow. So that's pretty great. I'm gonna try out their blush next. I'm gonna try out the foundation. Some of you just jumped on. We checked out all the different, so they send you a little card so you can see which foundation color you are. All right, so I was this one, which was 2.5, and I'm not tan, but I'm trying. I'm faux tan. From the boobs up, I'm a little bit tan. The legs down, I'm probably a -1. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody I said that. Anyway, so, okay, I have 4 more of these if you want to try the organic, non-toxic, heavy metal tested makeup that I'm trying today, which is Crunchy. I didn't have samples of the last one. I have samples of these. I have 4. Message me if you want to. Okay, good. So we're going to try next time. I'm going to try all the face stuff. I'm going to be like barefaced. I'm going to tell you how all this fun stuff works. And then when I have my foundation and my blush, we'll do it all together and see. So far, no big smells. Nothing smells like a dirty old tire. Everything is like light and fresh. No heavy fragrance either because I get sneezy. Anyway, okay, good. And I'm so happy because people can comment too. So, all right, my kids are running in to see me. Opa, it's time to go. Thank you so much for visiting me. Send me a message if you want samples. Send me a message if you have questions. And as always, it's great seeing you guys.